Children, next we are going to learn the sequences. Sequences. See the picture. There is some pattern or arrangement in these pictures, isn't it? Here some apples are arranged. Here one step is there. Here also some tiles will be arranged. See the apples. In the first row, it contains only one apple. In the second row, it contains only 2 apples. Third row, it contains only 3 apples. Fourth row, 4 apples, and fifth row, 5 apples. It is going on like this, isn't it? The number of the apples in each row are 1, 2, 3, etc. See the steps. Second picture, it is steps. The height of the step is 0.5 feet. So the height of the step can be arranged like this. 0.5. So second step is 0.5 plus 0.5. So you get 1 feet. Then 1 feet plus 0.5. So 1.5 feet, etc. Isn't it? So the numbers are 0.5, 1 feet, 1.5, 2 feet, etc. Okay. The tiles, the third picture, first is you get one square tiles, then 3, then next to 5. So the numbers are going on like this: 1, 3, 5, etc. These numbers belongs to a category called sequences. Okay, children, some arrangements it will be there. So if it is going on like this, we can find the next number also: 1, 3, 5, then 7, like that. Here in the apple, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next is 6. Here also the step height also we can find like this. We have to add one more 0.5. You get the next step, the height of the next step. So such numbers are arranged in a sequences. Okay. See that definition. A real valued sequence is a function defined on a set of natural numbers and taking real values. The real valued sequence means it is defined. That function is defined on the set of natural numbers. Okay, children. Each element in the sequence, the numbers are arranged separating with comma. That is 1, 2, 3. Each element is called terms of the sequences. Okay. In the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Each number is called a term. The element in the first position is called first term. Okay. First element is called first term of the sequence. The element in the second position is called second term. The nth position is called nth term. Okay, children. Now see one example illustration. 2 illustrations will be there. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. is a sequence with a general term. Generally, we can take it as an. Or terms in the sense we can take tn also. And afterwards, for the problems, we are taking it as nth term is tn. Here simply assuming the general term is an. It is defined like this: 2n minus 1, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So what are the terms you get? First term means you have to put n equal to 1. So you get 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1, you get the first term is 1. Then the second term, you have to put it as n equal to 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, you get 3. So A2 equal to 3. Then A3 means you have to put n equal to 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1, you get 5. So the third value is 5. Fourth value means you have to put it as 4. So you get 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So like that, we have to find out all the numbers. So the sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7. This is one example of this sequence. Here the general term will be like this. General term means it is just a formula to create this sequence. See this sequence. The numbers first term, second term, third term, fourth term is given, isn't it? The sequence, the general form we have to find out how the terms will be generated. Here 2, then next 3, then 4, 5, etc. So you have to take it as 1 by n plus 1, where n equal to 1, 2, 3. When you are putting n equal to 1, you get 1 by 2. N equal to 2, you get 2 plus 1, 3. N equal to 3 means you get 3 plus 1, 4. Again, n equal to 4 means you get 4 plus 1, 5. So all the terms you get in the sequence. If the number of elements in the sequence is finite, then we call it as finite sequence. Etc. we are putting means it is going on like this, isn't it? So it is infinite sequence. Last number is given means we can call it as finite sequence. Then sequence as a function in the sense that the sequence can be considered as a function defined on a set of natural numbers. Sequence is defined on the set of natural numbers. A domain set is set of natural numbers. Then it is that sequence is considered as a function. Domain set on the natural number. That means it is 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, children. If the sequence is of the form a1, a2, a3, then we can associate the function to the elements a1, a2, a3, etc. by fk is equal to ak for k is equal to general form. When k is equal to 1, the function f is defined like this. F of 1 is a1, first element. F of 2 is a2. F of 3 is a3, like that. The sequence as a function means the domain is a natural number, set of natural number. Okay. The sequence as a function. Okay. The sequence can be considered as a function only when it is defined on the set of natural numbers. See the progress check. Fill in the blanks for the following sequences. The first one is 7, then next 13, then 19, etc. So what is the answer in the dash? The next number is 25. You have to subtract 13 minus 7. You get 6, isn't it? 19 minus 13. You get again 6. So you have to add 6 with this 19. So in the dash you get 25. Second, it is 5. See the difference between these numbers. 17, when you get 17, you have to, the difference between 10 and 17 is 7. Then 17 and 26 is, you get 9, isn't it? So 7 here it is 9. So the next, before that odd number is 5. So you have to take the number as 5. Here it is 3. So the difference between number is 3, 5, then 7 and 9, etc. like this. Here then the third number 1000, 100, then 10. Third term is 10, then 1. Here it is dividing by 10. 1000 divided by 10, you get 100. 100 divided by 10, you get 10. 10 divided by 10, you get 1. So the next number is 1 by 10 or 0.1. One bad next number 1 by 100 or 0.01, like that. Here one dash is there, so you can write it as 0.1. A sequence as a function defined on set of natural numbers. This in the definition. The nth term of the sequence here 0, 2, 6, 12, 20. This can be expressed as n into n minus 1. When n is equal to 1, you get 1 minus 1. So 0 into 1 into 0. So the first term you get, isn't it? Then n equal to 2, 2 into 2 minus 1. So you get 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So 2 into 1, 2. 3, 3 into 3 minus 2, you get 2, isn't it? So 3 2s are 6. So the general form is n into n minus 1. Say true or false. All sequences are function. All sequences all sequences are having first term, second term, third term, etc. Isn't it? So that sequences are functions. All functions are sequence. That statement is false because the domain should be natural numbers. Domain natural number இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் அது sequence. So all functions or sequence is false. Okay, children. Then example 2.19. Find the next three terms of the sequences. Next three terms you have to find out. 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 10, 1 by 14. So first you have to find out the common difference in between them. Here the numerator all are same only. Denominator, here it is 6. So 2 plus 4 you get 6. 6 plus 4 you get 10. 10 plus 4 you get 14. Automatically we can find out by adding 4. Okay, adding 4 in the denominator. You have to find out 5th term, 6th term and 7th term. Adding 4, what do you get? 18. Again 18 plus 4, that 22. Then 7th term, 22 plus 4, 26. That is the answer for the first one. Then the second one, see the difference. Here it is 5, here it is 2. So 5 minus the difference between these two numbers. That you have to subtract 3. 5 minus 3, you get 2. 2 minus 3, you get minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3, you get minus 4. So common difference here is minus 3, isn't it? So each term is decreased by 3. So next 3 terms also you have to decrease it by 3. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. Then minus 7 லேருந்து minus 3 subtract பண்ணணும். So minus 10. அடுத்தது the minus 10 லேருந்து minus 3 subtract பண்ணா minus 13. There are the 3 terms. Next question 1, 0.1, 0.01. Here the difference is 1 by 10, isn't it? Here also 1 by 10. Here each term is divided by 10. Hence the next 3 terms are again you have to divide it by 10. So 0.01 divided by 10 means you have to put one more 0. 0.001. Then A5 0.00, 3 zeros and 1. Then A6 4 zeros and 1, like that. Then next example, find the general term of the following sequences. Nth term or general term. The first question 3, 6, 9. See the difference. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Easy question. Or you can multiply it, isn't it? 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we can multiply of 3. We have to take it. So 3 into 1, 3. 2 means 3 into 2, 6. This one is first term. This is second term. This is third term. Now first term A1 and சொல்லும்போது 3 into 1, 3. Second term and சொல்லும்போது 3 into 2, 6. Third term and சொல்லும்போது 3 into 3, 9. இப்படியே போயிட்டு இருந்ததுன்னா nth term என்ன வரும்? 3 into n, 3n. That is the general term of this sequence. Next question 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. What is the common difference here? Here the first term is 1 by 2. Second term 2 by 3. Numerator adding 1. Denominator is also adding 1. So what do you get? First term. So numerator is 1. Second term. Here numerator is 2. Denominator you have to add 1 in the numerator. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So like that we can consider 3. So numerator is 3, denominator 3 plus 1, 4. So like that, what is the nth term? Numerator is n, denominator n plus 1, where n belongs to capital N. That is the general term. Okay, n by n plus 1. The next question, 5 minus 25, 125. Here the sign will be changed. This one is positive, second term it is minus, third term it is plus. So A1 is 5 here, A2 is minus 25. So this one is plus, this one is minus. So third term 125. So what is the nth term? Here the minus sign is coming now. So you have to take it as minus 1 power n plus 1. So first term is positive. So minus 1 power even number. Even number. n minus 1 power வந்து even number வந்தா மட்டும்தான் அது வந்து plus sign வரும். அப்போ 1 போடும்போது n is equal to 1 போட்டா here it is 1 plus 1 2. Minus 1 power 2 you get plus sign. 5 power n. 5 power 1. Isn't it? The first term na n value 1. So 5 power 1 na you get 5. Plus 5 கிடைக்கும். 2 போட்டோம்னா minus 1 power 2 plus 1 3. Odd number. So you get minus sign. 5 power 2. That means 5 into 5 25. Minus 25 கிடைக்கும். 3 போட்டிங்கன்னா minus 1 power 3 plus 1 4. Even number. So you get plus sign. 5 power 3. 5 into 5 into 5 125 கிடைக்கும். So this one is the general term for this given sequence. Then next 2.21. The general term of the sequence is defined as an is equal to, find the 11th and the 18th term. The general term is defined like this, isn't it? 11th term, 11 is odd number, isn't it? So the formula n into n plus 3. n into n plus 3. n into n plus 3. So put 11. What do you get? 11 into 11 plus 3. So you get 11 into 14. You get 154. Then next question, 18th term. 18 is even. So you have to take the next formula, n square plus 1. Put n is equal to 18. So 18 square plus 1. 18 square is 324. 324 plus 1, you get 325. That is the answer for this one. 2.22. Find the first 5 terms of the following sequences. 5 terms கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். First term தந்திருக்காங்க, second term தந்திருக்காங்க, nth term தந்திருக்காங்க. நம்ம 5 terms கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். A1, A2 and nth term தந்திருக்காங்க. A3 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா n equal to 3 போடணும். A3 is equal to A3 minus 1 by A3 minus 2 plus 3. இப்போ இதை subtract பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு? A2 by இங்கே A1 plus 3. A2 ஓட வேல்யூ 1. A1 ஓட வேல்யூவும் 1. சப்ஸ்டிடியூட் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா 1 by 4 கிடைக்கும். இதே மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து 5 terms வேணும் இல்லையா? 4 and 5 கூட கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 4 போட்டாச்சுன்னா A4 minus 1 by A4 minus 2 plus 3 கிடைக்கும். So A3 by A2 கிடைக்கும். A3 வேல்யூ இங்கே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம், அதை போடணும். A2 இங்கே இருக்கு கொஸ்டின்ல, அதை போடணும். இப்போ A3 1 by 4, A2 1. So 1 by 4 by 4. இதுக்கு மீனிங் இதை வந்து ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக எழுதும்போது 1 by 4 into இது வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? 4 by 1 இருக்கும் இல்லையா? அதை 1 by 4 எழுதலாம். ஸோ 1 by 16 கிடைக்கும். 5th term இதே மாதிரி தான். இப்போ A4 by A3 கிடைக்கும். A3 plus 3 கிடைக்கும். A4 வேல்யூ 1 by 16. A3 வேல்யூ 1 by 4. இதை வந்து நம்ம LCM எடுத்து சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணணும். அப்போ LCM எடுத்தா என்ன வரும்? 4 3s are 12 இல்லையா? இப்போ 12 plus 1 13. ஸோ 13 by 4ன்னு கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா? டினாமினேட்டர் இவ்வளவும் 13 by 4. அதை நம்ம ரெசிப்ரோக்கலாக எழுதும்போது 4 by 13. சரியா பிள்ளைங்களா? இப்போ இந்த 4 நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்லை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி எழுதலாம். இதை நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணுவோம். 4ம் 16ம் கேன்சல் ஆகும். அப்போ இங்கே 4 4s are 16. இதில் 4ஆல் இன்டூ பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா நமக்கு 52 கிடைக்கும். ஸோ the 5 terms are 1 comma 1 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 16 and 1 by 52.